We are moving, and I will show you, and I'm gonna have the camera on the whole line, starting now.
Providing the best care for our resident animals and working for the conservation.
And I've got it on this side because I think the decorations will be on this side.
Way back when Miss Fancy the elephant was wandering the neighborhoods of Birmingham, zoos were mainly a place for entertainment. Now, modern zoos, while still a place to have a fun day out with family and friends, have shifted our focus to protecting species from extinction, conserving wild places, and providing the best lives possible for our resident animals. Birmingham Zoo is accredited by the Association of Zoos and Aquariums.
Okay.
We meet the highest standards of animal
Oh, here's some ghosts.
and provide a fun, safe, and educational experience for our guests. On the right side of the train, you'll notice Henley Park and the New Hall Junior League of Birmingham.
There's some games over there for Hoots and Howls.
Concerts and special events such as zoo brews and different movie nights. The Children's Zoo is all
and there's a little photo op right there. Yeah, there's a little photo op over there.
In addition, for friends of all ages,
I didn't mean to do that. I did that. Sorry about that.
Animals living here at the zoo.
Now I know how not to zoom in.
Also on the right side of the train, highlights the conservation partnership.
Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't know that this side is gonna have the most. Oh, caution tape. Oh, look at that big ghost. Oh, and more caution tape. Oh, and there's a little ghost.
Barbara Ingall showed the Black Bear Trail and habitats for North American.
I'm zoomed in, and there's a ghost right there that you can't see, and there's a ghost over there, and there was two inflatables.
Home to some of the largest residents in the Birmingham.
Where's the skeleton? Oh yeah, there's a skeleton over there. I forgot to catch it. You probably already saw that. I don't know if you saw that or not. Oh, there's a spider and there's a skeleton.
Make sure you're getting them. Right here.
Oh, here's some tombstones. Yeah. I didn't see the skeleton that we just passed, but that's okay.
Provide a safety net for species that are close to extinction in the wild.
Swap sides. Look at the skeleton.
Oh, there's a skeleton. Let's swap side. Wait, I think there's something coming up on this side. Here's some ghosts. And here's a guy right there. Oh, hello. And we are going through a light tunnel. Whoa. Oh, and there's a ghost. Oh, there's a ghost right there. Oh, and there's a ghost right there. And these lights are turned on right here. And they are still in a light tunnel.
Continuing our backstage tour of your Birmingham.
Oh, now we are. Now we're out.
May be able to catch a glimpse of our reticulated giraffe. Giraffes are
I'm going to switch to the other side right now.
Let me just hold it.
No.
We have awarded our staff grants to work the Giraffe Conservation Foundation in Africa. GCF.
Oh, there's a skeleton right there.
Our staff have participated in several population studies to assess the health of the desert-dwelling and golden giraffe in Namibia. All species of giraffe are facing increasing pressures for human expansion, and your Birmingham Zoo is proud to be part of it.
Okay, I think maybe something's going to be on the other side.
Maybe they got somebody in the Jeep.
Oh, skeleton! Oh, and a skeleton dog.
in that our herd consists only of male African elephants.
There's probably gonna be something over here, maybe.
After that, they live alone or form bachelor herds that can range greatly in number. Having only males here at the Birmingham
Here's a
Zoo
ghost,
replicates the
another ghost, and here's the one. Oh, there's two ghosts over there.
we see between our elephants can give researchers all over the world
And there,
a better idea of male elephants relate to one another
and the guy's coming up.
better care for elephants, wild and humans here. Our bachelor
Oh,
as they grow into mature adults and are eventually matched with a breeding herd through the species survival too. The Robert Meyer Foundation Large Animal Information
okay.
on the left side of the train crossing is where our elephants live.
Skeletons.
Oh, here's some skeleton.
They get accustomed to their new home.
Oh,
Stated
bye bye.
building is equipped with the tools to help us
I think we're coming up on a graveyard pretty soon. If I remember from last year.
Maybe they moved it over back there by the carousel.
Oh, there's a skeleton. Oh, and there's a graveyard back there.
This space also gives our animal care
That was a mini graveyard.
Yeah.
their routines, cares, maintenance, baths, and medical. In just a few moments,
There's a skeleton foot right there.
There's one hanging.
this area is home
There's a skeleton.
to as with all species of rhinos,
There is some pumpkin inflatables.
the Association of Zoos and Aquariums
Oh, here comes a bunch of ghosts up here.
black rhino
Oh no, here, okay, we're coming up on a big graveyard just like last year.
This utilizes the expertise, protection efforts, and conservation funding of member organizations to focus on certain species.
Okay. Oh, and there's a little guy in the back. Oh, he like aliens are in the back. And here's the graveyard. And look at and those aliens are in the back.
Aliens are new.
About the same program.
Yeah, those aliens are new. I'm gonna keep it on this side. I'm not sure, but I think we're gonna coming up on
Close to the
Zoos aren't the
oh, something's on this side. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see it.
only just by visiting today, you
Oh, the other side.
Birmingham Zoo. A portion of your admission goes directly
yeah.
to
We're
us.
coming up on an
For
inflatable.
more about some of our worldwide impacts, be sure to visit
What's
our
the big
Jaguar
one?
habitat.
Yep, here's the inflatable.
There, you can explore the Passion in the Conservation
Okay.
Action Grant Program to send zoo staff all over the world to participate in research and conservation efforts.
I feel like something's coming up on this.
Your Birmingham Zoo
Yeah, I feel like
to acquire
something's
passion,
going to be on this
serve, and
field.
you can apply today's admission for the purchase of a Birmingham Zoo membership. As a member, you get free admission to your zoo all year and discounted admission to special events, camps, and classes. Simply visit
Okay, we're coming up on a Halloween
At the
thing.
end of our journey, please remain seated until the
Right there. Hello, ghosty ghost.
exit to the right. If you have any questions about the rest of your day here at the zoo, be sure to check in with your train conductor or any other zoo staff. We hope you have a great time during the remainder of your visit.
Oh, and there's a lantern right there for Glow Isle. Yeah, I got it. You could kind of see the lantern.
Into the station.
Yep. Okay. Okay. We're gonna hang out down. We're gonna I'm gonna get the train to go with Wingardium Leviosa in a couple of seconds.
We need to stop it though, because it'll be a while before they start the next train.
Or in the next clip. And we will see you making the train go with Wingardium Leviosa. Now let's go make the train go with Wingardium Leviosa.